Can a platform designed by the Winklevoss twins, the same guys who famously sued Mark Zuckerberg, actually be for you, the casual investor? We're not talking about a quick flip, a meme coin bet, or some to the moon hype. We're talking about building a long-term financial future. We're talking about a platform that lets you dip your toes into the world of crypto without feeling like you've just been dropped into the middle of a gladiator arena. Because let's be honest, for the average person, the world of cryptocurrency can feel a lot like that. A chaotic, high-stakes, confusing place full of technical jargon, volatile price swings, and a whole lot of fear. So, when a name like Gemini comes up, with its reputation for security, regulation, and institutional-grade features, it naturally begs the question, is this a platform for Wall Street pros, or is it a tool for the everyday person looking to invest a few $100s? Can a platform that prides itself on being trust as our product really be the right place to start your crypto journey? Today, we're going to answer that question, and we're going to do it by breaking down Gemini from the perspective of a casual investor. We'll look at the good, the bad, and the ugly, so you can decide if Gemini is the right fit for your financial goals. We're going to talk about fees, we're going to talk about ease of use, we're going to talk about security, and we're going to talk about all the things that actually matter when you're just starting out. So, let's get into it. Part 1. The first impressions. What's the experience like? First things first, the user experience. You've heard the horror stories about crypto exchanges with clunky interfaces, confusing menus, and a learning curve steeper than a mountain climber's path. Gemini, right out of the gate, feels different. When you first sign up for an account, you're greeted by a clean, simple, and intuitive dashboard. It's designed to be approachable. It's a buy, sell, and hold kind of platform that doesn't bombard you with advanced charts and order types. For someone just starting out, this is a massive win. You can easily connect your bank account, fund your wallet, and make your first purchase of Bitcoin or Ethereum without needing a PhD in finance. The process is streamlined, and it feels a lot more like a traditional brokerage account than a Wild West crypto exchange. They also have a fantastic feature called recurring buys. This is a huge deal for a casual investor. It's the crypto equivalent of dollar cost averaging. You can set it and forget it, automatically buying a small amount of crypto every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. This removes the emotional element from investing. You don't have to worry about trying to time the market, which is a fool's errand for even the most experienced traders. You just let the automation do its thing, slowly building your position over time. This is exactly the kind of tool a casual investor needs to stay disciplined and build wealth over the long haul. The mobile app is also a big part of this first impression. It's highly rated and mirrors the simplicity of the web interface. You can track your portfolio, set price alerts, and make trades on the go. Again, this is all about making crypto accessible and easy, not a full-time job. For someone who just wants to check in on their investments a couple of times a week, the app is a perfect companion. But here's where we get to the first important distinction. While the basic Gemini interface is great for beginners, they also have something called Active Trader. This is where the platform's professional-grade tools come into play. It's a separate, more complex interface with advanced charting, order books, and a maker-taker fee model. We'll get to the fees in a minute, but the key takeaway here is that Gemini is a tale of two platforms. The casual investor can happily live in the simplified version and never even touch Active Trader. But for those who want to get more serious down the line, the option is there, and it's a seamless transition. This dual-platform approach is a significant pro for Gemini, as it allows a casual investor to grow into the platform as their knowledge and confidence increase. It's not just a starting point, it could be a long-term home. Part 2, the elephant in the room. Are the fees a deal-breaker? Now, let's talk about the thing that can make or break a platform for a casual investor, fees. And this is where Gemini gets a bit complicated, but it's crucial to understand. The fees on the basic platform can be a bit high, especially for smaller trades. When you're buying on the web or mobile app, you're charged a convenience fee, which is a flat 0.5% on top of a transaction fee. The transaction fee is tiered, meaning it varies based on the size of your order. For example, a trade of $50 to $200 has a flat fee of $2.99 plus the 0.5% convenience fee. This can add up. Now, compare that to other popular platforms. Some exchanges, especially the ones with a more advanced feel, often have lower, volume-based fees. This is where the casual investor might feel a little bit of sticker shock. If you're making small, frequent trades, those fees can eat into your returns. But here's the game changer. Remember that active trader platform we just talked about? This is where Gemini's fees become incredibly competitive. Active Trader uses a maker-taker fee schedule, which is the standard for professional exchanges. The fees are significantly lower, sometimes a fraction of what you would pay on the basic platform. The maker fee is for placing an order that adds liquidity to the order book, and the taker fee is for an order that takes liquidity away. For a small investor, the fees are often below 0.5%, which is a massive difference from the basic platform. So, the takeaway here is this: if you're a true, set it and forget it casual investor who is only making a few trades a year, the basic platform's fees might be a minor inconvenience, but they aren't a deal breaker. The convenience and simplicity might be worth the extra cost. However, if you plan on being more active or want to maximize your returns from day one, you should absolutely switch to Active Trader. Gemini makes it easy to switch between the two platforms, so you can start with the simple one and move to the more advanced one when you're ready. Don't let the basic platform's fees scare you away, but be aware of them and know that a better option is always just a few clicks away. Part 3. The cornerstone: is my money safe? For a casual investor, security is paramount. The last thing you want is to lose your hard-earned money to a hack or a scam. The crypto space is full of stories of exchanges being exploited and funds disappearing forever. This is where Gemini truly shines and why it's a top contender for the casual investor. Gemini has built its entire reputation on being a highly regulated and secure platform. They are a New York trust company, which means they are subject to strict financial regulations and capital reserve requirements, just like a traditional bank. This is a level of oversight that many other crypto exchanges simply don't have. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.